must-have Chrome extensions for developers. The following are the top 9 Chrome extensions for developers to help you do your job faster. 1. JSON Formatter. JSON Formatter, an indispensable Chrome extension, takes the hassle out of formatting JSON data. 2. GitHub Hovercard. GitHub Hovercard is a game-changer for developers using GitHub. This Chrome extension provides a seamless way to access important information about GitHub profiles and repositories. 3. Colorzilla. Colorzilla is an indispensable Chrome extension for developers and designers working with colors. 4. Wapalizer. Wapalizer is a powerful extension that allows you to identify the tools, frameworks, and technologies powering any website you visit. 5. Octatree. Navigating complex codebases in GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket can be a challenging task. Octatree simplifies this process by adding a code tree panel to your repository pages, transforming the browsing experience. 6. Lighthouse. Lighthouse optimizing your web pages for performance, accessibility, and SEO is essential for delivering exceptional user experiences. 7. CSS Viewer. Front-end developers often find themselves inspecting and modifying CSS properties on web pages with CSS Viewer. Inspecting and experimenting with CSS properties becomes a breeze. 8. Postman. Postman is a widely used API development and testing tool, and its Chrome extension brings its power directly into your browser. 9. Web Developer. Web Developer is an all-in-one extension that provides an extensive set of tools for front-end developers with a wide array of tools and functionalities. Web Developer allows developers to fine-tune and optimize their web development projects. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.